resting in the heart of the Eastern Caribbean archipelago between Martinique and Guadeloupe, you will find one of the best kept secrets. The island is a verdant tapestry of lush rainforests, towering mountains, rushing rivers, welcoming waterfalls, and volcanic wonders. Unspoiled and unrivaled. You will be warmly welcomed by smiling and friendly locals who inhabit this wonderful place that officially known as Commonwealth of Dominica. Let's go to explore some of the best spots on the island with us and prepare to fall in love with Dominica, the nature island of the Caribbean.
So welcome again. As you know, my name is Ken and I will be your guide. Okay guys, if you have any question you want to ask, don't be afraid to ask Ken any question. I'll be happy to answer your questions. First one is called Wavin de l'eau chaude, which means a hot water stream. It enters into the marsh warm and it enters into the main river cold. The other river is called the Barry River. That's where we're going to see the model house of Calypso in the movie Pirates of the Caribbean.
Be transported in minutes from the urban environment of the town of Portsmouth to the warm embrace of nature by taking a tour up the scenic Indian River. The Indian River got its name because Kalinaga, Carib Indian, lived along its banks and used it as an access route to the Caribbean Sea.
You could see the model house. And remember, that's the exact location Calypso house was, the Rasta witch in the movie. That's why we built it in the exact location. These two trees in front of you, the roots, you will see it in the movie. That one and this one, you will see it in the movie. So guys, as you know, presently now we're in Portsmouth. And Portsmouth is the main town of Dominica. The capital is called Roseau, okay? But in the 19th century, Portsmouth was planned as the first capital.
Yeah.
You see, he answered yes. He understands what I'm saying. So in the 19th century, Portsmouth was planned like in the late 1800s. It was planned as the first capital. But just because of the level of the land, it was below sea level, Portsmouth, it's below sea level. Just because of that, it had a lot of swamps. And the swamps had a lot of mosquitoes at that time, which caused the yellow fever. And it killed most of the settlers. So most of the settlers, they died. So they decided, you know what guys, we need to find a drier area. So they moved south to see if they could find a drier area. When they found an area that they chose, the area was covered with this plant. See them? Mm-hmm. This plant you see here. We call this plant the Roseau weed. The Roseau weed. That's why our capital got its name Roseau. Because they had to cut down the entire area so they could start the new capital. You see over here? Watch my phone. Under the You see it?
Oh,
Yeah.
Yes.
What?
But this one's a baby one. They get twice the size. Leaves, dead leaves. You can eat small little insects too. You know? But we eat it. It's very good with coconut milk. These flowers, we call them the ginger lilies. So we have the red ones, we have the pink ones, we have the violet ones also. So the villagers that have gardens, like you know, the plantations, they walk alongside the Indian River to go to the plantations. The Indian River is in the center of Portsmouth, so we're not in the jungle, we're in the center of the town. Also, guys, here's our Dominican flag. What do you think? I mean, can somebody tell me what the green stand for?
Vegetation,
Yes, the rainforest. Yellow.
sun,
Good. Black. The black is the black volcanic soil. Our soil is very rich and black. The white is the river. What about the parrot?
The birds, the animals?
Yes, we have the two rarest parrots of the Amazon. They are only found there. The two rare, I'm serious.
Yeah.
Yes, those parrots were $50,000, my friend.
15.
50.
50
Yes.
thousand.
Wow.
You cannot find them nowhere in the world. This one is called the Susuru parrot, or you can call it the Amazona imperialis. Okay? We have also the Amazona arosiaca, which is the Jaco parrot.
Beautiful wild Dominica, a shining beacon in the night. Isolated in the ocean, it is free of human blight. Friendly locals come to meet you as you set your anchor firm, and in the distance end of anchorage you can see a river's dern. Head inland to the forest where the waterfalls do gush, and you'll find plenty flowers and vegetation that's quite lush. Walk some more, make your way through to get to the places where the sky is blue, where the trees are healthy, and the people happy, and jolliness is in the air, where both the people and the nature care about each other's fare. So clap your hands for Dominica, the nature island of the Carib, and sing your praise for the care that is buried really deep.
Yes, you hear what he said? The longest
Yeah.
and the largest river. And here, something is creating here. Very
We just arrived to the highest point of our journey, so it feels cool here. It also is cloaked in cloud, and strong coasterly winds tend to blow you away, so we'll better take a quick look and go further. But agree, the scenery is stunning. Freshwater Lake is the largest of Dominica's four lakes. It is located at just over 2,500 feet above sea level and is the natural source of the Roseau River. Time in Dominica isn't a just vacation, it's a discovery. A discovery of what nature, its eternal beauty, its breathtaking vistas, its primal power can do to nourish your soul, delight your senses, and drown your cares. Have you ever happened to experience going through a throat of some mystery creature and survive? Even enjoy it? That's what we're gonna do in Tito Gorge, one of the finest attractions on the island. Tito Gorge means little throat, and this special attraction was formed by volcanic lava, which cooled and split open, leaving this natural cave. Swim right inside to find a gushing waterfall, sparkling with light, filtered from the forest canopy above. The swim inside the gorge only takes 5 minutes, but you can take your time and enjoy the ambience. Located on the west side of Morne-Trois Pitons National Park, around 6 miles from Roseau, there are famous twin Trafalgar Falls. The upper waterfall, referred to as Father, cascades dramatically from the Trois Pitons River across the Tito Gorge and empties into hot sulfur springs, while the lower waterfall, Mother, flows gently from the river into a natural swimming pool. A hike through a forest of ginger plants and vanilla orchids to Trafalgar Falls is spectacular and pleasant, and waterfalls themselves are incredibly impressive. You spend amazing time hiking and swimming there. Is the main village on the scenic north coast of Dominica, home to a dramatic mosaic of steep cliffs, red rocks, and rivers gushing down from the mountains.
This is the Carib territory ahead.
Dominica has the largest remaining tribe of Carib Indians, also called Kalinaga people. Among the Kalinaga, you can live what life is like when everything is handcrafted, everything contains nothing but natural ingredients, and entertainment centers on human voices and bodies moving to a beat kept by drums and handmade instruments. Morne-Trois Pitons National Park is the jewel of Dominica.
The parrots are already on these branches. This one is in the wrong side. They call it La Zelle de Mouche.
Emerald Pool is not to be missed when traveling to Dominica. Fed by the clear mountain water rushing from a 40-foot waterfall, the pool's water appear emerald green in the leafy, filtered sunlight.
Let's sing a song full of hope, full of pain. Why don't you sing along, my friend? For it's our last refrain. Forever young, ever strong, ever brave. Memories like this never end. No, they don't fade away. So when I'm gone, oh, when I'm gone, I'll be right there, close to the sun. Keep holding on, keep holding on. And I'll be right there, close to the sun, close to the sun. Close to the sun.
This is just the beginning. the sneak peek of what awaits you here. As you see, Dominica is a place for amazing adventures. With volcanic peaks, lush rainforests, rugged coastlines and sparkling waterfalls, the Nature Islands lives up to its name with every square inch. We have shown the most famous attractions, but the thing is that even after exploring the Emerald Paradise mile after mile, there are many more breathtaking moments for you, like hiking experiences of different levels of difficulty, Boiling Lake, vast banana plantations, sulfur springs. If you're a diving enthusiast, Dominica delivers dramatic underwater landscapes with exciting walls and pinnacles, thriving coral gardens, and abundant marine life. And even as we sail to Guadeloupe, I can't wait to get back again. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, follow our adventure above and below the sea.